How to change your Instagram username. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, make sure that you are running the updated version of the app. Once it is up to date, simply open the app. Enter login credential and log into a specific account that you want to change the username. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will open up your profile. Now tap on Edit Profile over here. You can see tons of different menus and options. The option of username will also be visible to you. Click on it. It will show you the username that you have set before. In order to change it, first of all, remove this username and then enter the new username that you want to add. Once you have entered new username, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the username has been successfully changed. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.